welcome back to Coffee Tea Paper. Now today I am doing an unboxing, but not, as you might think, of a tech show. This is actually an unboxing of a new journal. I know. It is the Superior Labour with the Traveller's Notebook Company limited edition journal, and I was very fortunate that one of my friends from the journaling world, Joanne from Koara Tea Care, was placing an order, and she asked me if I would like to tag along basically and grab one of the limited edition covers while she was purchasing some goodies of her own. And so of course I said yes. And Joanne lives down in Victoria, so once her parcel from Japan arrived, she has packaged up my part of it so beautifully, and she took so much extra care because they put in the Traveller's Company magazine, and so she packaged it so it wouldn't she wouldn't have to fold it, so I could enjoy it in its uncreased beauty. And so she did a beautiful job with that, and I am so appreciative. I've really wanted to have one of these newsletters for a long time, and I intend to pore over it with my Google Translate app open on my phone so I can attempt to understand the Japanese text in the magazine. But the imagery alone is really inspiring, and yes, so I'm very much appreciative that one has come my way, and that Joanne packed it up so beautifully as well. So here I am. I'm very excited to open this up. This was not an intended purchase. I wasn't really in the market for another journal, but I could not resist, and I had actually thought if I was going to buy another one, I would buy a Camel. And so when the Superior Labour collaboration was revealed, and with the camel cover, I decided, right, okay, that's it. Let's do it. No willpower. Possibly I should have put it away or given it to my husband to give to me for Christmas, but I couldn't do that. So so as all Traveller's Company notebooks they come in that craft folder with the spare elastic, and then some information pages, another spare elastic and a little plastic pocket, and a cotton cover. Now, I also had purchased myself a little while ago a Superior Labour pouch, and with the idea that one day that I might get the Camel cover, and yes, so it sort of came true earlier than I thought. Anyway, it feels so beautiful. It's the leather's quite different. It's almost not quite a suede, but on the cusp of what I would call suede. So yeah, it's really tactile, really nice to the touch. I love orange, so I'm quite enjoying the look of the orange elastic against the warm camel cover. Now, Joanne has an Etsy store here in Australia called Quality Care, and it is a beautifully curated store full of lovely Japanese stationery goods, and I generally have about a dozen items on my wish list at any given time. And so because I was going to have my journal shipped up to me here in Brisbane, I thought that was a great excuse cue the justification here, to purchase some of those things that I had on my wish list at Quality Care, so that Joanne could pop them in with the journal that she was sending up to me that I purchased as well. So I was really keen on these beautiful washi paper stickers that she's carrying in her store at the moment. They're full of I got, well, like coffee themed, self-care themed, home, plants and garden. Because I just am sort of thinking that they would be nice to decorate my journal pages for next year, for my planning pages. And yes, and the illustrations are really beautiful, and the size is great for the size of the traveller's notebook, calendar and diary pages. And then there was another little parcel in there, and she was so naughty. Like, not only did she very kindly let me jump on her shipping from Japan, but she sent me a whole little care package of goodies as well. So a Bicky to try from one of her favourite Japanese biscuit makers, and just so many nice goodies. Tea, of course. This beautiful crimson postcard. Crimson does the most gorgeous, almost Winnie the Pooh style illustrations, and just so cute. They're all having a tea party and some Carol Kapak tea, and also some TWG, which is a Singaporean brand of tea. And so she sent me a couple of iced tea varieties to try, which I haven't tried before. Some coffee, so within it's like a pour over coffee, and I've got a couple of those to try, and I haven't been game enough. I'm sort of worried that I'm going to do it incorrectly. I mean, look, there are 4 steps in the instructions. How hard can it be? But I'm still concerned that I will make a mess of it, shall we say? And here's the other iced tea from TWG brand. She's also popped in the business card that she would have got in her order, which is really, really generous of her to do that. She because Joanne is also a fellow journal keeper, so it's she understands the beauty of these ephemera items that we love to treasure so much. So that was very generous of her to share that. Another one of those beautiful crimson illustrations in some memo sheets and some other Japanese memo sheets. I think that might be an Eric, maybe a papier Platz design there, but of course the Japanese paper is always just so beautiful to the touch. And another little goodie bag here that she's popped in. Yeah, she really did spoil me terribly. And yeah, just some little sticker samples. I love that little bird there. I think they're like sticker dots, but on like a washi roll. Japanese stamp, and yeah, I love that colour, especially against that the camel cover. And yeah, she's got her coffee, and she's got her plant, and she's got her short hair and glasses, so she's like me. Short hair, glasses, coffee and a plant. So anyway, that's my little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.